We are starting with the demonstration of Z spring. 0.6 mm SS round wire is used for making a Z spring. It is also known as a double cantilever spring. First and foremost, you should have a cast and a wire of a finger length. Straighten the wire to remove the residual stresses. The design is very simple, just like an alphabet Z. First thing is, you have to close in the end of the wire so that it does not hurt the patient anywhere. The sharp end does not hurt. You are just closing in the end of the wire so that it does not hurt the patient. The Z spring, the width of the Z spring is equal to the width of the tooth mesiodistally. So over here, mesiodistal width you have to mark and make a helix. Now always remember, the active arm should be towards the tissue and initiate a bend with a square beak. So we are starting with the bend. We are making a helix. The beak should be the round beak should be smaller, so you can make a proper helix. Make a helix so that the wire goes up and the active arm is down. Close in so that both the arms are almost parallel. There should not be any gap between these helices. Once you close in, again check before you proceed. It should not go beyond the tooth structure. The width should be equal to the width of the tooth structure. Once you have done it, mark for the second helix. The second helix does not go beyond this first end of the wire. Now, when you make a helix, this helix, initiate the bend with a square beak, and this helix, it goes down, the wire goes down, so that we again come into the plane of the initial wire, active arm. See to it, the helix which you are making does not have any gap and it is a proper round helix. So the wire was down, the helix took it up and again it went down. It's a simple spring. Make a 90-degree bend over here. Immediately take it down. Halfway you are going to take it. Now you have to place it such that the tooth gets a horizontal outward force by this spring. It should neither be down, neither be up. And accordingly you have to adjust your tag arm. So this spring, if you observe, it should be horizontal. It should be horizontal, lying like this, and then should be the tag arm. Always remember, the tag arm should also not cross the midline.